The rise of K-pop Demon Hunters, now they're literally shining like golden.
Yes.
So
As in.
true.
So
Oh
will not
my
rest
God.
until they win the Grammys.
Yes,
Oo.
let's
Guys,
go.
Playing that.
Guys,
Oh.
tatlo din kami.
We're going up, up, up. It's our moment.
Wow, rehearse!
One, two, Sarah! Annyeong, this is Monica.
Hello everyone, this is Jency.
Annyeong, my name is Pia, and welcome to our 4th anniversary live of One to Sarah. Yes, totoo, ang balita magkakasama kami right now.
Hi.
Oo, ito, we're live both on TikTok and on YouTube. Thank you so much to all the Sarang Days who patiently waited for us during the holidays, during our short break, and then now for our anniversary live. So what is there to expect for this live for today? The first part, we will be doing a look back on last year. And then the second part, we will be looking forward kung ano ba ang meron for 2026, the year of the Red Horse.
Yes.
Yes.
The Red Horse.
Oo, it's a Red Horse.
Uh-huh.
And after that, we will be talking about our manifestations as well. And syempre, alam niyo naman, mag-e-end kami with a game. At syempre, ang game namin ngayon, kasama kayo.
Yes.
We will be doing a small things gift, exchange gift. Alam niyo yan, viral na viral yan sa TikTok. And kung ano man yung mga makuha, ipaparaffle namin sa Sarang Base. May theme ang aming small gift raffle. These are things you can put in your concert kits. Dahil yan ang ating imamanifest, ang ating mga concert na i-attend before 2026. Happy 4-year anniversary daw. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Woo!
Ano po ang nasa top ni Trency? Pag-usapan pala natin ang ating mga outfits. Una ka na, Trency, dahil
Okay,
ikaw ang
sige.
napansin.
Bilang minamention na nga ni Pia na we are doing a manifestation, magical manifestation live for the universe. Kaya, pinasok ko po ang aking manifestations for next year, which are collaborations with these brands.
Sabihin na mga
Nakadikit sa
brands
akin.
para shout out.
Correct. Shout out sa Netflix, KTO,
KTO pala.
Pwede rin KTX. para sa mga
Libre
train.
yung
Oo.
From Seoul to
DJI,
Busan.
para syempre, mas maganda ang ating coverage, no? Tapos meron din a gin
Ramen.
na parang busog po tayo this 2026. Meron din po tayong globe.
Yan. Hello, Globe.
May smart din ako, kaya lang nag-iba yung kulay sa pagka-print. So baka pagalitan nila ako.
Okay.
Kailangan sakto yung color. I have also Mama Awards.
Yeah.
Parang makaroon tayo ng Mama Awards. And then,
Visa, presented by
yes,
Visa.
ay, nakalimutan ko yung hat. Sige, mamaya na lang.
papakita
Lalabas yung
natin.
hat.
But speaking of sponsorships, we of course want to give a shout out to our biggest sponsor, Mr. Kendrick Tan, for giving us our very nice setup, our Rode mics, and of course our Focusrite is from him. Happy birthday in advance,
Happy
Mr.
birthday.
Kendrick
Pero
Tan.
parang kami po ang nag-birthday.
Of course, dahil
Salamat,
4 years
Kendrick.
na.
birthday talaga natin ngayon.
Yes,
Thank
that
you so
is
much.
true.
Okay, next naman ang ating Dongmyo Harmony.
Dongmyo Harmony.
So, this is me dressing cool.
But it's so hot.
But it's so hot.
Init?
Actually, hindi. Nakakatulong.
Talaga?
Kasi na-absorb niya yung sweat.
So mainit pa rin, pero hindi lang
pero
basa.
at least absorbent.
Okay, tama.
Got it.
Sabi kasi pinapauso kasi ni Jenny yung Harmony, yung ang tawag doon?
Yung vest.
Yung kimchi vest.
Dongmyo vest.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Pero wala ako nun. So this is the closest thing. So I've had this for a while. I actually bought this top kasi I wanted to dress up as Dino.
Yes,
the
correct.
Picholin.
Yeah, but it was too hot. Kasi
Nung concert.
concert to sa Singapore.
Oo.
Parang basta nagdalawang isip ako basically dahil medyo may kapal siya. So sabi ko, parang ayoko. Mag-Singapore na padded.
Correct. Yeah, oo.
So nag-pivot ako ng aking plans nun. But anyway, so now I'm using it. Tapos, rin siya, sign of manifestation. It's my manifestation for our trip to Korea this year.
Hard to.
Together. Important yung
Yes.
together.
Important together.
Oh,
My God, handa na ba ang Korea sa aming tatlo?
My God.
Kaya niyo ba to? Hindi.
Tignan natin. And ako naman,
Ayan na. Wait, kailangan na siyang, we have to give way.
medyo malaki po yung sa akin. Ito ang aking manifestation for the year. What? Kaya siya 415,000 followers. May reason yan. Kasi 4th anniversary.
Okay.
And then yung 1 and 5, January 5 is our anniversary.
Yay!
So, manifestation for the year. Hindi ko siya kayang panindigan buong dahil matatakpan ko sila.
Oo.
So,
Ang ganda.
In fairness sa effort, alam niyo
Ganda.
ba, pinagbawalan nila ako na dapat hindi daw malaki na outfit.
Siya lang.
Tapos yun pala.
Natin dito, no?
Ah,
Pwede isabit dito.
sige, tignan natin.
Sige.
Kaya, baka kaya natin siya ngayon. Pero
Ay,
ano yung
nakikita yung mga
manifestation?
balloon.
Or dikit niya sa likod ko.
Kaya lang kasi hindi makikita yung follower count
Nakaganyan.
kasi ganito siya eh.
Ay, oo nga, hindi pwede.
So, ganyan lang
Ah,
talaga
sige.
siya.
Oh, well. No.
Let's make
Let's just keep it in our minds, guys. Help us manifest so we can share our blessings with you.
Uy, merong XOL. Hello to XOL fan from the Philippines. Sino ang iyong bias and kamusta ang iyong puso
Oh
sa
my
kanilang
God!
OT6 comeback?
Love it.
Grabe yung mama
Are you
stage
excited?
nila. Oh my
Actually.
gosh.
Super.
Fellow multi-stan here. Hi.
Wow.
What groups do you stan? I think that also connects to our first question for this episode,
Uh-huh.
which is looking back to 2025.
Yes.
So lahat tayo may two things that we are like really happy or most excited about last year. Pag-usapan natin yan ngayon. And sa ating mga Saryang Base, kung meron ding mga highlights of 2025, pakilagay sa comments para mapag-usapan natin. And meron mga nagbigay sa atin ng gifts. Salamat!
Wow!
Sa inyong mga gifts. Ito,
Hindi na daw uso yung ganun.
hindi. Alam?
Ganito na daw.
Ganon?
Hindi na siya heart, pero pasay na daw yung ganun.
Oo, pero matagal na.
Ayun.
Tsaka yung ganun.
O, pang
Oo,
ano na to
matagal
eh.
na,
Pang,
kasi
pang,
gamitin
pang
eh.
tito, pang lolo
Oo,
na to
tama
eh.
na na.
So, wag na tayo dyan. Pero
Oo.
bagay sa'yo.
Ako lang pwede.
Sir
Oo,
Dongyo
siya lang
Halmoni.
pwede. As our Dongyo Halmoni.
Okay, so umpisahan natin. Oh, YouTube keeps stopping. Tignan natin what's happening. Sige, we will be checking the technicals. Pero habang chine-check natin yan, thank you so much, Trency. I am a BTS TXT Cortez, Stray Kids 17, and Suju fan. Ay,
Wow.
nakasingit pa ang Suju. I mean, why not?
OG Suju ba? Sila
Oo
bang
nga
nagsimula?
Diba? Okay, pero pag-usapan muna natin ang 2025. O, umpisahan mo, Monica. What were the highlights of 2025 for you?
Highlights of 2025. You know what? Sobrang highlight sa akin. Bakit?
Natawa lang ako kasi minention ng yung Suju fandom name. Okay, very quickly, last year din naman yun kasi yung sa Mama, nung nanonood kami ng Mama, parang di nag-perform na yung Suju, tas tuwang-tuwa kami, tas parang, ano bang ibig sabihin ng elf? So parang ginugol namin yung ibig sabihin ng fandom name ng Suju, which is elf, which means everlasting friend. Like, bakit ang bilis ng friend zone ng idol ninyo?
Correct.
At saka hindi lang siya kung ano-anong friend. Everlasting eh. So parang forever
Walang
Friend.
level up.
Oo,
Parang
wala.
kahit na anong gawin nyo,
friend.
friend pa rin
I'm so
kayo.
sorry. Yun na yun. Parang
Everlasting
It's
friend.
clear, no? Ayaw natin ng mga pinapaasa tayo.
tama din naman.
So,
Ayaw
dun
ni
tayo
Minghao
sa clear.
yan.
Oo.
Tama.
Pero di ba parang ang ano nun? Elf, like, work for me, ganon. Wow.
Wow. Hindi, pagpasko lang.
Pagpasko
Pagpasko lang. Rest of the year,
Sa
okay
mga
lang.
Santa yung Suju.
Ganon.
The Suju sounds like Santa. Starts with S.
Wow.
Okay.
And nothing else.
Okay, Mon.
Suju
Highlights
plus.
from 2025.
Highlights of 2025.
Mm.
You know what? Girl groups.
Wow.
Which ones?
I feel like a lot of them did well. There's Kiki, Meow, Eyelet's comeback, not
Uh-huh.
cute anymore, was such a bop. It's such a
Mhm.
great hit. And somehow, ang galing ng pagka-shift nila. It was obviously like their turn to, I don't know, para move towards the direction that they wanna, hindi na sila introductory group, parang ganon. So I thought that was very, very successful naman yung ginawa nilang dun sa last comeback nila. But I think yung pinaka-favorite ko is Le Seraphim. May factor na napanood ko sila and made me realize how much I love them and how great they are as performers. But somehow, parang alam naman natin ang dami nilang pinagdaanan.
Yes.
And yung last comeback nila with Spaghetti, it felt like they got past that. Alam mo yon? Parang there were previous comebacks before that. It was a bit alam mo yon, parang they were there, and they did well. Pero parang alam mo yung may onting, hindi siya, hindi siya confident, hindi siya, you get what I mean?
Yes.
I'm at a loss for words.
Yeah.
But with Spaghetti, I think, and funny because when we reviewed Le Seraphim and we talked about Spaghetti, I was saying na, it was okay. Like, it has to, I think kailangan ko pa ng time para, alam mo yun, it has to seep in pa some more. And I think it really did. Like, I absolutely love that song. One of my favorite songs from last year. And the confidence, all of them, like, every single one of them, nag-bloom sila. Their confidence grew tenfold. As in, so proud of them. And I'm very, tas nagano pa sila yung sa New Year, yung sa
in New York,
Times Square, yeah. Like, to have that opportunity then for them, like, I feel like they deserve all that after a year and the years that they experienced.
Yes.
So, very, very excited to see what's next for them.
Wow! Sinong mga girl group stands sa mga Sarang Base? Which groups do you stand? Pakilagay naman sa comments, pag-usapan din natin. So
Sino?
that's one highlight, Mon. Is there another highlight that you wanna share?
Ooh, next muna.
Nag-isip ka.
Isip ko na next.
Ako so Trency.
Twice! Okay, tama.
Ayan,
Oh my
twice.
God. Twice talaga. Spaghetti was like their FU song.
Yeah, you know what?
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
At meron pa silang Hobie na kasama.
Correct.
My God.
Sino naman kayo?
A-Pink,
Oh my gosh, A-Pink meron ng comeback soon. Alam mo, ang dami sa atin mga umaabot second, third gen stands. I love it so much, ang lawak ng ating mga pagsastan. And Dino is shaking. And his sleep, parang di na siya makaintay.
Dino, I love
May
you.
comeback na po ang A-Pink. Yan ang sinasabi niya. Ikaw, Trans, what's your
Ayan.
what's
Ako,
your highlight?
sorry, I'm like trying to post din on our Instagram para people will come
Yes.
to our live. Yan.
Multitasker. Hindi kaya ni DK yun.
Hindi kaya ni DK yun. Kaya kailangan niya ako sa buhay niya.
Oo.
Kailangan niya ng
Nagdadrive,
multitask for
kumakanta,
him.
hindi pwedeng sabay
Hindi pwedeng
daw.
sabay.
Oo.
Ako nagagawa the rest. Mag-focus siya, mag-drive.
Okay.
Or mag-focus siya sa akin. So, yun. But kayo guys, if you have other friends, share this live with them para marami tayo dito sa ating Sarang B community and we really enjoy having you guys here with us.
Thank you.
So ako, ang highlight sa akin, this is more of a personal highlight and it's finding Boy Next Door.
Oh,
Aww.
oh my God!
Grabe talaga. As in,
Yes.
nakakabata ang
Oo.
magkabayad sa bata.
Sobra. Sobra.
Grabe. As in. I think, kasi parang, well, personally, they came at the perfect time for me. Like, it was a time na parang like, parang I was going through some stuff, burnt out from work and all that. And then you have this breath of fresh air na talagang parang, oh my God, like, ang saya-saya. Parang like and they have the same energy din kasi as the boy groups that I've stand, like
Yes.
17 and BTS, yung ganong klaseng variety show character and charisma and energy and pagiging mga kengkoy, mga ganon.
Yes, agreed.
So, talagang sobrang happy ako na nakilala ko sila.
Mhm.
And that is because of their album No Genre. And I think maybe that is my peak highlight for
Yes,
2025.
I
Like the
agree.
Boy Next Door journey for 2025. Parang they started with If I Say I Love You.
I love you.
And then they went with No Genre. And then they had Hollywood Action. Parang back to back na talagang they're really telling the world, oh my God, we are here and we're
Yes.
here to stay and we're here to make you guys fans. And
Yes.
sure enough, naging fans po. kami.
Correct.
So, ayun. As
Correct.
in. And then, to add to that, sobrang ganda rin ng timing ng pagpunta nila sa Pilipinas. Care of the FIVB. Yes, the Volleyball
Let's
World
go
Cup.
sports.
Yes,
Aha.
sports. 1, 2, 3. Sports! Okay, so dahil sa sports, pumunta sila sa Pilipinas. And like, just a few weeks being a stan, nakita na namin sila live. And that is such stroke of luck. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
17, tagal din natin silang hinintay makapunta dito. BTS nga, hindi pa natin sila nakikita ng buo. Alam mo
Oo,
yun?
OT7.
OT7.
pingi lang.
Di ba,
Hi,
tingi?
Krista.
Yeah, and Cristel's here. So, parang sobrang what a joy to, find them last year and see them then in actual. So,
Correct.
ayun. That's my highlight. One
My
of my
God,
highlights.
I have to agree because being a one door is definitely like a huge highlight of my year last year.
Mhm.
At dahil sa Boy Next Door, nabuksan ang pinto sa akin na parang, girl,
Mga bata.
okay lang yan. Okay lang mag-stand ka na ng 5th gen. Wag mo nang pigilan ang sarili mo.
Correct.
Ano ngayon kung adult mo silang lahat? Ano nga, pinag-aaral na naman natin talaga sila.
Mhm.
Scholar mo na lahat yan. Parang ganon. And because after Boy Next Door was also the time for Boys to Planet. And I've always been such a huge fan of survival shows. Like lahat ng survival shows that you can watch here, that locally you can legally watch, I always watch all of them. And Boys to Planet, oh my God, I cannot stop talking about it. Because for the first time ever, kung sino man yung binayas ko from audition, nag-debut siya, tas PO1 pa siya. As in, I cannot stop talking about how much I love Aldi1. Wala pa ako nakikilalang Alice in real life. Kung meron mang Alice dyan, lumapit kayo sa akin, mag-usap tayo because I'm just so excited for their debut happening in a few days. Kasabay nga ng Dongkwan. Dokyong Songkwan.
Dongkwan. Mas gusto ko yun.
Kasabay ni DK Songkwan. So I'm also looking
Dongkwan.
forward to their interactions backstage sa music show. Kung ano ba ang gagawin nila, kung anong mga klaseng challenges ang gagawin nila. And another highlight was yung isang member din ng Aldi1 is parang sobrang hyung na ina-idolize ni Tessan of Boy Next Door. So si Gonwoo tsaka si Tessan, like that kind of friendship. Anyway, sobrang love na love ko ang Aldi1. At dahil pinag-usapan ng mga bata, alam na, ayan, cover na po ako. And by the way, dahil sa mama, naging cover din ang aking asawa. So, cover family. At sinabi nila na parang as soon as magkaka-concert, kailangan naming mag-family time. Kasama ng aking mga anak na mga teenager at isang adult. Ayan. Yan, sino ba? Mga excited sa SK release. Oh my God, napanood nyo ba yung release nila last night? Sobrang nakakatawa.
Uy, gagawin pa natin yung yung sa kanilang
Yung
tatlo,
dong-
kay Dino.
Guys,
Guys, gusto nyo ba makita yung live?
dito natin gusto.
Alam mo, kailangan natin gawin yung live.
Tuhod.
Ay, naku.
Sino si Dino? Hindi
Ikaw?
ako.
Ay,
Hindi nyo
Anong
kaya.
edad ng
Ah,
BND?
sige.
Haha, curious. So, ang MACNE nila ay 06 at ang Mathyong nila ay 03. Ganun lang
Oo.
naman you know.
Tapos
Oo.
nag-graduate tayo ng never
wag mo nang sabihin.
Standing quartets from day one deserve.
Ayun.
Yes! As in, I was
Deserve.
so excited when they were teasing it. Tapos parang, okay, ano kaya yung meron sila? And talagang with a bang. I love all of their content. Like, my God, grabe din talaga ang Cortez. Okay, we're talking K-pop. Baka naman meron din kayong ibang K-drama highlights or kung kahit hindi K-drama, iba namang highlights. Mon.
K-drama highlights.
Of course, Ahof!
Oo.
Namashte! We started last year na bigla na lang ito din si Tensi kasi
Alam mo.
humabol siya sa Universe League. Tapos parang medyo naloka din.
Naloka
At
din siya.
naging hand bias po siya.
And can I just share, parang natapos ang taon ko with Ahof. Kasi nanood ako nung nila.
Sa GMA.
Sa GMA. Parang wala okay, mom and dad, manood tayo ng mga Koreano ngayong bagong taon.
Ang hirap. Kasi sobrang nakakatawa kasi kami bumaba kami sa condo so hindi na namin napanood yung part na yun. Pero may nakita ko sa Twitter, sabi niya na parang yung tatay daw niya, kasi syempre New Year, hindi naglalasing, umiinom,
Correct.
kasunod sa
Oo.
GMA.
Oo.
Tapos sabi niya daw, anak, lasing lang ba ako? Nagtatagalog yung Koreano.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda!
Ang ganda.
Ngayon,
Oo nga, nasigit niya.
hindi daw maalala ng tatay niya the next day. Yung pinag-usapan nila.
Oh my God, pero sana niloko niya hanggang umaga.
Ang ganda!
Koreano po siya sa
Oo.
nagtatagalog.
Or sana, hindi. Ikaw yung nagko-Koreano.
May subtitles na.
Si Daddy. Si Apa. Apoji.
Oo, si Apa.
Apoji.
Oh, ikaw, Mon, other highlights?
Highlight siya, pero sobrang lungkot ko kasi wala ako in action sa
Oh,
episode. But I really thought that When Life Gives You Tangerines was such a great comeback. Can I say that comeback for K-dramas last year? I did IU and Sunho, of course, our favorite, made a surprise appearance. Like we didn't know that he was gonna be there. It was such a treat.
Kilala
treat.
natin
Such a
siya.
stand-up
Oo.
man.
Such a great friend.
Treat na biglang, oh my God, nandito pala siya. Parang ganon. There's so much to say about that drama. Yun yung mga dramas na talaga namin eh. Actually, guys, nagsimula tong podcast na to dahil sa K-drama.
Correct.
Dahil kay Kim Son Ho.
Dahil kay Kim Son Ho.
Oo.
Oh my gosh. Tapos, as in, every K-drama that we watched before, ang dami naming dissection, ang dami naming
Correct.
conversations about them. And kasi ang juicy talaga eh. There's so much material.
Yes.
But somehow, over the years, parang hindi tayo nakakahanap ng mga drama na ganun ka
Same.
juicy,
Oo.
ganun ka malaman yung mga
Yes.
conversations namin about. And I felt that When Life Gives You Tangerines had that.
Mm.
And I was so sad that I wasn't there for the episode because I was
Mm.
filming, I was shooting. But also very happy.
Highlight yun.
Another
Highlight yun.
Oh.
But also very happy because it was JJ who stood in. And
Yes.
JJ is a good friend and also a K-drama lover. And
and the
K-variety.
fitness instructor and the teacher.
yes, we love him
Many
so
hats.
much. And if there's anyone who would, stand in for me for that episode, for that conversation, tamang-tama na dapat it was JJ. So,
Mm.
thank you, JJ, kung nanonood ka man.
Tito
Correct.
Jongmin daw.
Tito Jongmin. Si Tito Jongmin.
Correct. Like, When Life Gives You Tangerines, if I may add, is like one of like, nasa top ko siya of last year. As in, sobrang iba talaga yung feels ng binigay nung K-drama na yon. And it's been a while since I last wanted to talk about the K-drama so excitedly. So,
Mm-mm.
yes to When Life Gives You Tangerines.
Sobra.
Ikaw, Trans.
Same, parang yun nga. I mean, if you've watched our episodes from way back, alam nyo na mga iyakin po kami.
Sobra.
And it was a while, no, before we had watched something
Yeah.
na talagang pinaiyak tayo. When Life Gives You Tangerines was really one of them.
Yeah.
Talagang
Super
parang
cry.
the Crayola was Crayolaing.
Yeah.
And to add to that, na-mention din ni Paul, ni Paulina, ang Mellow movie, which we also talked about din this year. And that's also one of the highlights then for this year for me in terms of K-dramas. Admittedly, last year hasn't been the best
Yeah.
K-drama
Yeah.
wise.
Yes.
Ang daming mga
Ang daming-
good start.
Yeah.
Good
Oh,
start.
but we had that, we love that the one yung first responder siya.
Trauma Code. Yeah.
Trauma that was
Code.
fun.
And let's
Trauma
not
Code was
forget
fun.
that last
Mm.
year brought us K-pop Demon Hunters.
Oh, yeah.
Sinong
my
hindi pa
God.
naririnig sa mga
Grabe.
kanta from everybody and your
Yes.
neighbor and your lolo's neighbor. They all know about it.
Correct.
Yeah.
Until now, ha? Super.
Like, medyo slightly.
Penthouse. I haven't
oo.
seen Penthouse. But
Mm.
yeah, yung first na nalove niya na K-drama.
Oh, what's
Ooh.
Penthouse?
Super old,
Old
na yung
na
mahabang
nun.
ano.
Oh, wow. OG.
Yes.
So,
Sorry,
yun.
what were you saying?
So, akala ko nung sabi yung Penthouse, parang terrace house, which brings me,
Oh, alam ko na. Ano sabihin
which,
mo?
which brings me to Exchange.
Oh my God!
Sa mga,
Guys!
yes,
Boy
guys.
Next Door lang pala kailangan para makanood si Trency ng Exchange.
Correct.
Ang tagal ko
Oo.
nang pinush.
In all fairness though, grabe, manood kayo guys ng Exchange. Parang talo pa niyo mga K-drama.
As in.
Sa intensity of the interactions and the kilig and the inis.
Yes.
Grabe, roller coaster of emotions. And talagang sa taong last year parang siya talaga siya mga inaabangan ko weekly kasi parang it drops parang weekly sa View.
Yes. Hello,
Oo,
View.
Hello View. So weekly sa View, talagang inaabangan ko siya. Like every Thursday?
Thursday.
Every Thursday.
So may drop today actually.
Yes. Mga pinagpalit namin ng Exchange for you guys.
Oh my God.
We love you so much.
Yung girl na super hate mo, talaga feeling ko mas may hate mo siya dun sa
Talaga.
last episode.
Patay.
So like, grabe.
Grabe.
Sino pang mga nanonood ng mga K-variety, K-dating shows? Let us know. Ako, in terms of K-drama, there is one medyo underrated K-drama last year that I realized is the top of my list, and that is Unwritten Soul. So that's Boyong, and my God, yung GOT7 na actor din. Anyway, but pero kasi this is Boyong's masterpiece as twins. As in kasi kaya niya. I'm so sorry to Madam Ayu. Ayu is Ayu. But Ayu playing multiple roles is just Ayu playing multiple roles. While Boyong was able to bring out the nuances and the characters of the twins that she was portraying. It was just so nice and sobrang kilig na kilig ako. So that was like my top from last year. Love Your Runner at Hotel de Luna of all time.
Wow.
Yes, Hotel de Luna because of P.O. Si P.O. talaga, hindi siya.
talaga.
Kasi talaga first na parang, ang pogi naman neto. Sino ba to? Si P.O. pala yun.
Jin Young.
Jin Young. Yes, Jin Young. I'm so sorry. I forgot your name. But yeah, si Jin Young and si Boyong. Grabe din. Sobrang love ko yung K-drama na yun.
May
Singles
mention
Inferno,
ng Singles
malapit
Inferno.
Malapit na,
Did you see the
guys.
trailer?
My God, may beds
I
yan.
know.
Grabe. Alam mo, sana to pa rin nila, ha?
Ayan na.
Actually,
To pa rin nila.
parang pang ilang trailer na to
Oo
na
nga
may,
eh.
what's this, magsisigawan yung mga judges.
Correct.
Whom I love. I realize every time I watch the trailer, sila talaga yung mahal ko eh.
Actually.
Yung mga maingay.
Oo. Si Hong
Tama
Jin
naman.
Pyo, sobrang love na love natin siya.
Mm-mm.
The rise of K-pop Demon Hunters, now they're literally shining like golden.
Yes.
So
As in.
Correct.
true.
Will
Oh
not
my
rest until they win the Grammys.
Yes,
Oo.
let's
Guys,
go.
Playing that.
Guys,
Oh.
tatlo din kami.
We're going. It's our moment.
Wow, rehearsed.
Balik. Last na yun, promise. Mag-ano na lang, Cortez na lang ulit. Cortez na lang ulit.
Grabe ang vision ng pick-up. Dapat gulatin mo kami. Gulatan lang bigla. Bigyan lang.
Tama na rin din ako. Feeling ko si Crystal in general, hindi sa atin. But yes, speaking of Grammys, manifesting Manalo Cup.
Yes. Oh my God.
What?
That'd be
I'm so
awesome.
excited for
Sophia
the...
being here for the holidays.
Correct.
Oh my golly gosh. Yes, cat's eye. Okay. Oh,
Nakawala na ako sa mga anak ko eh.
pasensya na kami nagbalik.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You're all I can think of.
Every time I wake up, you're my soda pop, Milo soda pop, chak chak.
Yan. Okay, last na yon, Crystal. Promise. Okay, pero bago tayo pumunta sa 2026, napapansin niyo sa TikTok, hindi kita sa YouTube. Papakita namin mamaya.
Aha.
Meron ditong cake. Ayan, oh. So may reason kung bakit may cake. Ano bang gagawin natin dyan? Dahil, meron na tayong look forward. So, eto na. Ano bang ilo-look forward natin sa 2026? Sige. Since Dream Academy, icon na daw si Erica. My gosh.
Yes.
You know what?
Isa ka rin
Yeah.
ba survival show stan?
Me and Survivor.
Survivor. ka din.
Survivor. Survivor show. Ayoko na?
O, gawin na muna
Repeat
natin
5 times. 1, 2, 3, go.
Survival show. Survival.
I think you should just sing it.
Survivor.
Okay. Ito. O, gawin na natin.
Magagawa ba natin?
2026. Oo, ganito lang siya, oh.
Baliktad. Ayan
Oh,
na.
ay, ganito pala. Okay.
Ganyan, ganyan,
Ito. Ayan. Didikit lang natin. Okay.
Ay, ang tigas.
Teka lang, dito yan sa kabila. Ayan. Ito ang reason. Ay, YouTube, tama siya.
YouTube! Shit, alam mo
Guys,
na.
sinong may alam ng reference kung bakit kami may
Oo nga.
ganito? Okay, ayusin natin. Naku, mali.
Mali. Yan.
Okay,
Tama na.
Bilis, magkakanta. Ganyan.
One highlighter.
Stress yung light.
Ayan.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 2026! Okay, sabay-sabay tayo mag-blow. 1, 2, 3,
go.
and... Yes. Namin si Antoine.
Nakala ako.
Nagpa-pretend na lang ako. Wala na
So, iniwan mo pala ako?
Yung ginawa nilang dalawa is the prime example na words of wisdom ni Ung Kwang. Sabi nga niya, give up.
Give
You
up.
know? When things are
Mhm.
hard,
Give
Give
up.
diba?
Yes.
Ayan. My phone, give up my phone.
Oo.
Ayan, dahil pag-uusapan na natin ang 2026. Pag ganito naman tayo, ako naman ang magsa-start.
Mhm.
What am I most excited about for 2026? Dahil hindi natin nabanggit nung 2025 ang ating most awaited comeback, which is CXM. I'm so excited
Oh
for
my
the live party. Live party.
Live party.
So,
Live
parang
party.
kanina sinabi na namin kay Trency na wala siyang choice, sasama siya sa amin manood ng live streaming in 2 weeks.
Next week.
Yan.
Yes.
Para makapag-decide kami ni Mon kung magta-Taiwan ba tayo o hindi.
Correct.
Ano ba
Deciding
talaga?
factor.
Baka
Oo.
dapat kayo ang mag-decide para sa kanila.
Bayaran nyo. Exactly. 2 million kasi yung
Wow.
ticketing. Ayaw maniwala
Oh my
sa akin ni
God.
Monica.
I know.
Manifesting makasecure ng CXM tickets. Yes, come on. Come on, do not give up.
Do not give up.
Give up, my cake.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oo.
Please, CXM, I'm so excited to see what a live party, a live party is all about. So
Mm.
that's the first thing on my list. I'm so excited about this 2026. Ikaw, Trency.
I'm excited for, in terms of K-drama and K-pop, more K-dramas that are amazing. Ayun. Parang medyo tagtuyot tayo the
Correct.
past couple of years actually.
Correct.
Pero mukhang this year, I mean, nung tail end ng 2025, ang daming okay.
Yeah.
So parang feeling ko, this 2026, it's gonna be amazing and
Mm.
awesome.
May sinasabi sila para sa yan, DKSK comeback.
Oo!
Yes, of
isa pa yan.
course.
Excited.
Automatic na yan.
Automatic na yan.
Onti na lang.
Lapit na nun.
Lapit this month.
It's in 4
4
days.
days.
In 4 days. So abangan niyo, we will be coming up with an episode, our music video review, and may surprise episode kami after album review. Ano pa nga ba?
Kung sinabi na.
pa.
Sinabi na ka.
Ganon.
Ganon.
Ano sabi ni DM? Sana makasecure kapitbahay ko yung arena.
Oh my
Wow.
God.
Yeah. Manood na lang tayo
DM,
galing sa bahay
Pwede
mo.
bang tambay na lang tayo sa
Silip
labas.
na lang tayo sa Kaohsiung.
Sige
Ganyan.
na.
And
Renshi, Wannabe, Blackpink, BTS comeback this 2025.
Oh my
sobrang
God.
dami.
The
And Big Bang, hello.
Sobra.
Yes, sobrang dami.
Actually, ang dami kong ina-anticipate this year na magko-concert.
As
Alam mo yun,
in.
parang like 17,
101 pa.
101,
Correct.
17, BTS, Boy Next Door.
Correct.
Parang grabe. Parang ubusan ng pera. So, I
Correct.
guess I'm looking forward to money.
Yes, tama.
Limpak
So
na sila.
true.
Care of DJI, KTO,
Yeah.
Netflix, and Jin, and everyone else.
Yes.
Who will support.
Aho, Feb, Pinas,
Aho
babalik
pa.
daw.
Oo nga, meron nga sa
Grabe.
yung FanCon. Sana yung iZone mag-comeback din this year.
Sana.
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 Parang di ko na need bumalik ng Cebu. Ang daming comeback. Dito ka na,
Oo
Cristel.
nga. Oo.
Stay.
Stay.
Correct.
Stay. 2026. Welcome back, Jongan! Oh my God, nakakaiyak.
Oh my gosh, kailan? Anong month?
June?
June?
Tama ba? June
Grabe,
ba? Or March?
Kasi si
kailan
Wonu,
lang, no?
like, in a year pa.
Oh,
Oo.
halos sabay niya, lumabas. Lumabas talaga.
Oo.
Ikaw, Mon, 2026,
Parang
looking
You
forward
know
to.
what? I'm really looking forward to BTS coming back.
Yes.
Kasi, honestly, parang sila yung first
June
group
2026.
Mm.
first group na na-experience talaga natin na umalis at bumalik
Correct,
na kompleto.
Correct.
Parang hindi natin naabutan syempre yung mga previous. Like
Yeah.
when EXO started coming out, etc. Alam mo yun. So, and given how big they are,
Mm.
I'm just excited. I'm sure, but also excited kung ano ang magiging result nito.
Yeah.
Like, are they gonna be as big? How are they gonna deal with it?
Mm.
All those things. But more than that, parang I feel like din kasi kung ano man yung mangyari sa comeback nila, medyo may onting like since first time natin may experience yung comeback after military for the
Yeah.
first time. Parang ganito lang din siguro yung ma-feel natin when 17 comes back. Parang
Oh,
ganun ba? Parang sila yung
exactly.
magiging template natin
Yeah.
since they are the first group nga that we stand who came back from military service. So,
Mm.
looking forward to that experience. Something new kasi sawang-sawa na tayo sa goodbyes.
Oh,
Like, I'm done with
grabe
that.
naman, girl. Ang daming sakit nun.
Ay, ay, ay. Huwasa yun, huwasa.
Shit, girl.
Ay, ako, gets ko. Ay, naku.
Grabe. Ano ba naman? Ano ang sinasabi mo sa
Sorry,
boses?
I'm saying kulang sa sapatos.
Sorry.
Dapat may sapatos.
And for K-dramas,
Mm.
Kim Sono, Can This Be Love? Can This Be Love?
Yes.
Medyo may onting ano na ako. May kailangan kong i-pull back yung excitement. Kasi, I don't know, there's something about the trailer, the promo na parang, is this gonna be cringe? Is this
Yeah.
may onting ganun siya. But I'm hoping I'm wrong because usually, diba, the wow, the trailer, the sucky it is.
Correct,
It
correct.
happens like that sometimes.
Mm.
So I'm hoping that this is that, but like opposite, na parang cringy trailer, but it actually is great.
Sana.
Because like, ang meaty, ang juicy ng role niya eh.
Correct.
Lead na lead, tapos nakaganon, nakastare.
Yeah. See, Erica has been an army for over a decade. All of my experiences from it is very exciting. My gosh, Erica, tama ba? You're an army and an XOL? Paano? Kaya mo? Paano ka sa fan wars? Saan mo nilulugar sarili mo? Okay.
I like that though.
What's your section po in New Tour Bulacan? Hindi kami nag-new. Follow to Bulacan ang inano namin. Kasi nga magsi-CXM kami. Magsi-CXM kami.
Pero yung new, malay mo, biglang, you know, may tickets pa eh.
Correct.
So, pwede pang magbago.
Pwede pang magbago.
Sumabay kasi sila sa Disyembre.
Oo nga
Ang
eh.
hirap po, no? Daming gastos.
Si JLN Parkhan, may kanta daw na silang dalawa gawin soundtrack yung song sa isang...
K-drama?
Anong K-drama yon? Like, that would be so fantastic.
What?
Sorry, Erica, kung ikaw yung napagkamalan kong XOL, hindi pala ikaw yon. New Bangkok, meron pang VIP tickets, guys. Bangkok, kayo
Bangkok.
But you
na
know,
mga nag-Bangkok for 17.
Pero VIP kasi yun eh. So
Oo nga
malapit na eh.
eh.
Depende kung anong ano.
Ayan na, sabi ni Renchi, labanan ng mga Blinks at Army. Mahirap maging Blink at Army at the same time. My God.
Correct.
Oo, isa pa yan.
So,
Uy, seryoso? May VIP pa sa Bangkok?
Ayan na. Nag-iisip na.
Serious face, lapit.
Ayan yung cellphone mo, check mo na.
Check ko na yung bank account ko, ha?
Ayan na.
BPI.
Grabe, sobrang dami masyado for 2026.
Yun
Medyo
nga eh.
nakaka-stress.
Sana magbaba sila ng ticket prices.
Nasa Calm Down Man ulit si Woozy. Ano to? Or binanggit na naman siya. Kasi 'di ba friend niya si Calm Down Man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hindi
I
yung
wanna
nandito.
see. Pero kasi yung pinost ni Hoshi na picture nila ni Woozy, nakakatawa kasi ang bilog-bilog niyo.
Aww.
So
Kiyang.
cutie. Why not?
XOL, not much. Si
Okay.
Erica. Okay.
Sorry, my bad. At
Hi,
doon ulit
kay
si Woozy.
Thea. Also,
Okay.
no.
Oh, Thea.
Hi, Thea!
It's on YouTube.
Oh, hello.
Nagets niya ang
si
unkwang natin.
Unkwang.
Mm-mm.
Okay, 2026, next to look forward to in terms of K-drama. Actually, hindi siya this year lalabas, pero this year siya mag-shoot yung second season ng Moving. We all love Moving so much. And I'm also a fan of, syempre, UJ Sok. And I was watching yung pinaka-last na episode ng Whenever Possible. At yung guest nila, si Chate Yun. And, my God, I'm so bad with names today. Yung class president actor.
The one with glasses.
Dohon.
Oh.
So silang dalawa, and then they just, parang sabi nila, wala naman kami pinopromote. Gusto lang namin mag-guest. Ganon. Let's hear pa yung Moving 2027. And then it
Maaga
really
mag-promote.
sparked something in me na, oh my God, we
Exciting.
love Moving!
Sobra.
We
You're
love
right.
Moving.
Pero
Ito
wala
si Renzi.
wala na si young guy.
Si
diba?
Chung Ha? Ano
Oo,
pangalan niya?
because he is, why is
Gonna
he not?
enlist.
Enlistment.
So, I mean, on one end, parang, hala, paano yun? But on another end, exciting
Yes.
to see what they're gonna do with
But
that.
you explain that
environment.
because according to the comics, according to the what you call
Webtoon.
the webtoon, wala talaga yung si
Oo, yung
si
character.
pangalan niya starts with letter B.
Bo. Oh my God, anong pangalan niya?
Bobby.
Hindi siya si Boksun.
Hindi.
Kim Boksun.
Oo.
Basta siya.
Oo, yung character
Oo.
niya is not in the
Ano
second.
yun? Paano ba yung sinisigaw niya?
Oh my kuya.
Hi, oh my kuya.
Hi. Hi, oh my kuya.
But yeah, wala nga daw siya sa season 2.
Yes.
Si Yellow Raincoat guy. Yon.
Oo.
Yeah.
I cannot.
Kaya mo yan, hanapin mo.
Moving,
Ikaw,
moving.
Trends, what
Mm.
are you looking forward to after K-pop? Ano naman, 2026?
I mentioned K-drama na.
K-drama pa
Oo,
isa.
yung sinabi ko kanina.
I'm so sorry.
Like, it's a very, general version. Yes, may sagot ka na.
Bongsok nga.
Bongso.
Bongsoki. Sabi kasi
Bongsoki.
Boksun.
Oo, hindi
Bongsoki.
si,
Close enough.
hindi si
Oo.
Kill Boksun.
Correct.
Oo. parang same lang din, more or less. Yung na-mention nga yung mga, may daming concert.
Yeah.
And I would like to think na next year's my year. Sa mga fellow Leos dyan, hello! Leo season!
Leo Stellium. Oh.
So, kasama din dyan si Song Chol, no? Ang ating Leo leader.
Correct.
At si Tesan.
Yes!
Of Boy Next Door, Hantesan. Lahat ng mga August babies at latter July babies dyan. It's gonna be a big year for us. So, hoping na yun lang. Maraming mangyari sa atin in terms of K-pop and K-drama.
Correct.
Nemo Taurus, in case anyone's interested.
Taurus. Ay, mo din.
Oo. So, tingnan natin. Hantesan from Boy Next Door is who we are mentioning. Yes. Okay, since sinimulan na natin yung ganyan, parang sort of talking about how our signs are gonna do this year, and sinabi din nila, because again, this is a year of the fire horse / red horse. Ito daw is a year of a lot of like going forward.
Yes.
So, titignan natin kung ano nga yung mga yan. And because of that, it's time for us to manifest things for next year. And gusto rin namin kayo, Saryang Base, manifest with us 2 p.m. concert this year. Totoo ba yan?
Yes,
Kasi
parang
kami.
I read about that.
Oh my God! Pupunta ba yun dito? Di ba mas Japan sila?
O di mag-Japan tayo.
Okay, Japan. Sagot sa kahirapan. Punta tayo. My God, 2 p.m. Ito
Ang
na
dami
yung mga
talaga.
nagsastand ng mga nasa
Oh my
tamang
God!
edad.
May nadagdag pa ako, mama mo!
Oh my God!
Bangladesh!
Tapos di mo alam yung ay ko.
Sorry naman. Sorry. Kasi natulala ako. Ang galing talaga ng rendition mo eh. As in, parang saktong-sakta. Kala ko si Wasat
Oh
talaga
my
sa harap ko.
God, sorry. Sorry, I tried to not shock you.
Oh,
But,
but I mean, don't apologize. It's okay.
but yeah, mama mo. Okay.
Mm-mm.
So, ano ba ang mga gusto ninyong i-manifest for this year? Aside from yung mga sinabi na natin, followers and the things for the podcast, maybe it's time to get a little bit more personal.
Ay, wow.
So,
Iyak ka na ba? Hawak ka na.
Iyak tayo.
Walang gusto makipagawak.
Sorry. So, tignan
Ama
natin.
namin?
Oo nga eh. I-manifest natin kung ano ba yung mga gusto natin for this year. Ito. Music show. Okay.
Matinding labanan.
Sige. Ano ba? Oh, ang cute naman. Yung number ng viewers natin, nag-17 siya.
Oh,
wow.
Say the name.
17!
Annyeonghaseyo. 17
17입니다.
Oh. Ganto, Jongan,
Never got that.
Wonu.
Oo.
Buti pa kami
Okay.
gets
Gumawa
namin
ako.
paano. Si Jongan, tsaka si Wonu, di gets.
Oo nga.
Okay, manifestations. Start na lang tayo sa Macne. Trancy. Manifestation.
Manifestations.
Happy 4th, sabi ni Winky. Salamat.
Thank you.
Oh.
Okay. Serious manifestation. This last year has been great kasi ever since we started doing TikTok, parang we've connected naman with a lot of Sarang Base na before, pero ever since we've been doing TikTok and more lives last year, parang we started to really get to know the people listening to us. And
yes.
as I've mentioned before, nga, sometimes doing this, the podcasts, ganyan, parang it feels like minsan parang walang tao at the other end. Pero ever since we've been doing this, parang, oh my gosh, andyan sila.
Yeah.
And ang i-manifest ko lang is, gusto ko maging parang, gusto ko for them. Parang, alam mo yon, and na for them to be able to enjoy K-drama and K-pop the best way possible. Alam mo yon. So parang we've been mentioning comebacks and all of that, like shows and concerts, and sana mapanood po natin yun sabay-sabay para may mapag-usapan tayo.
Correct.
So,
more things to bond about.
To bond about. Alam mo yun. Kasi yun naman din yung gusto natin gawin. And honestly, to finally meet them. Alam mo yun. Parang I've been like, this has been in my head and I've been talking about this for so long na parang like, wouldn't it be nice to like really see our Sarang Base in person. Alam mo yon, parang like at a dinner, ganyan, or something, like a get-together with you guys. So parang that's something I really, really want to do next year. Kasi parang iba talagang in-person connection eh.
Correct.
Alam mo yon. And we say that we want to, create a community, ganyan. Pero parang iba pa rin ang in-person connection. So, ayun. So, manifest with us. Like, we really wanna see you in person, face to face.
Oh,
Para magkapit kamay tayo. Tulad ng ginagawa natin ngayon.
ganyan.
Ganyan.
Correct.
Yan. And we'll play games. Diba?
Yes.
Paparaffle si
Paparaffle si
Monica.
Monica. si Monica na talaga.
Or at ang
Our
Dongmyo
queen
Halmoni
of
natin.
raffle. Yes. Oo.
But yeah, I want to
Mm.
add to that. Now we're so grateful because of TikTok Live.
Mm.
Thank you, Stages, for making us part
Stages.
of your creator network because it opened us to
Yes.
this world of like talking to you more regularly. Oh my gosh, may nagbigay ng heart me. Thank you for the heart.
thank you.
Oh,
That's
Rain is here. Thank you, Rain.
Thank you,
Rain.
Rain. Love it, Rain.
Pero those things really make us so happy and makakausap kayo at nakakapag-chika tayo together. Expect more to come. Okay.
Oo.
Ako na pala yung next kasi by age tayo. My manifestation, not just for me, I guess also for the Saryang base and syempre sa atin sa One to Saryang. This is the same actually as my manifestation last year. Let's carry it over. It's for us to earn lots and lots of money doing the things we love.
Yes.
Kasi iba kasi kapag galing sa puso mo, yung ginagawa mo, ayoko na yung gumigising ka sa umaga tas irita ka sa trabaho mo. Like, you're just earning, doing things you love, and able to enjoy life how it's supposed to be enjoyed. So that's my manifestation for everyone. Saryang Base, claim those tickets. Sana nakuha nyo yun dahil nakagawa kayo ng trabaho na gustong-gusto nyo at hindi kayo nagnanakaw sa taong bayan.
Correct.
2026 na, ano nangyari sa mga flood contractor? Si Sara Diskaya lang. Okay,
Correct.
anyway.
Ay, nako.
So yeah, ito, sabi ni Erica, learning to save some money, manifesting this year. Yes, palaguin
tama
yan.
yan.
Not just save it, but make it multiply tenfold.
Correct.
Ikaw, Mon,
Oo.
what's your manifestation?
Hirap nito ah. Medyo nasabi niyo na rin kasi lahat for the Sarang Base, for ourselves, and you know, for a lot of people. I guess ang gusto ko lang ma-manifest is, how do I say this? Like the courage to finally
Iyak ka na ba?
Hindi naman. The courage to finally take it. Like kung ano man yung
Grab it by the balls.
yeah,
Oo.
grab it by the balls basically. Yung matagal mo nang gustong i-achieve, gawin, like finally baka this time have the courage to just say, nope, ito na, ako na.
Yes.
Without any hesitation, without anything. Like just
Oo.
pero alam natin na mahirap yon. Siyempre, ang daming mga factors. So, I guess yun na rin yung minamanifest ko na sana stars will align that those factors will not be such a nuance and like, you know, finally magagawa na yon na you can just take it, grab it, like finally enter that door. For the past 4 years, 3 years, 4 years, 3 years? Wala, math.
Manifesting math skills.
Manifesting math skills. Parang kung, if you guys have been here since the beginning, parang yung journey namin is starting new, letting go, stuff like that. Pero, parang, I feel like my journey is, nasara ko na yung pinto, pero kailangan ko nang mag-step in sa bagong pinto. Like, at matagal na proseso yung pagsara ng pinto na yun.
Yeah.
So, but finally, 2025 gave me that. Like, it is shut, closed. Tapos, minartilyo ko na, pinako ko na.
Wow.
Wow.
Literally. Charis.
Literally. So, for 2026, ang hazy pa, hinahanap ko pa siya through the fog.
Yeah.
Pero alam ko nandun siya. Like, finally, mabuksan ko na yung pinto na yun.
Oh.
At pumasok.
I love
Yun.
it.
Love it.
And we're here to support you throughout that journey.
Yes.
Alam mo yan.
Thank you.
Sobrang sweet ng sinabi ni Rain. Manifesting lumaki ang Sarang Bay community at magka-year-end party for everyone.
Yes.
That's something we really want. At dahil kanina, we all talked about how napakadaming concerts this year. Like, medyo crazy ang dami ng gusto nating attendan na concert. Sprinkling money dust to all of us para mapuntahan lahat yan kung saan mang bansa ang concert na kailangan nating puntahan. But yeah, because of that, ang aming game for today is, alam niyo naman yung trending na small gift exchange. Tama ba? Ayun. Sa where basically we assign colors to each other and then meron kaming small gifts na prepare tapos mag-aagawan kami kung ano man yung small gift na yon. The catch is yung mga items na pinili namin are things you can put in your concert kit. So itong mga concert kit na mabubuo namin sa aming small gift raffle, meron pala kaming sinet namin ng 100 pesos minimum yung price ng each item. So, ang gagawin namin dito, each color, hindi pala each color. So, each of us na makakabuo ng mga kit na yon, yung mga kit na yon ay ipaparaffle namin sa inyo. At hindi ko maalala kung paano natin gagawin yung
Hindi,
para sa kanila.
So, pipili tayo ng listener, ng viewer, di ba? Tama ba?
Oh my God!
Basta, na lang. So, yung mga Sarang Base na nandito pa rin, kung gusto ninyong sumali sa aming small gift raffle, paki-comment naman dito, sabihin nyo, sali ako! And then, we will include your names, paparaffle na lang natin after, and then let's just post it para
Yes.
makita natin kung sino. So, sino mga gustong sumali sa ating small gift raffle? Anong meron sa Instagram ni Joshua Hong? Nagwawala ang mga tao.
Oo
Oh my God, teka lang.
Ayan, sali daw si Erica. Yes, Erica, you're in. Sali ako. Sali rin si Cristel. Let's go, Cristel. Dito ka na lang. Manila. Shaylee, sama. Uy, ito, may choice ng Cholbaya. Sali din siya. Okay, let us know.
Okay.
Ano meron?
Kumakain siya ng waffles.
Wala namang hubad, guy.
Grabe naman sa excitement.
Nika, sali. Cornflakes,
Sumusubo
sali.
siya.
Dai, sali. Okay,
Ganyan.
hindi natin na screen record, so hindi natin alam yung mga paano natin makuha yung mga names.
Wait.
Wait.
Okay,
Now,
wait lang.
screen cap
We're gonna
muna.
screen record now para makuha namin yung mga names. Rain, sali din siya. Boyfriend vibe si Joshua ngayon, sis. Yes! Ang sinabi ni Joshua Hong, stop saying that I'm gay. I am straight after all. CXM album ko, unit version nakuha ko. Cristel, show us kung ano yung CXM album. Nag-aabang din ng shirtless. Lahat tayo nag-abang ng shirtless.
Sorry, just being truthful.
Ayan, nakuha mo na. Okay, so nakuha na ni Chancy yung mga pangalan ng mga sasali sa raffle. So I guess right now, we just need to clear this up a little bit.
Okay.
By age na lang tayo.
Okay. We'll take out the cake. Say goodbye.
Bye, Cake.
To
Kakainin ka natin
2026.
mamaya. I think pag ganito, makikita na siya. So, doon na lang
Tsaka yung aming grill.
dapat ibagsak yung mga
Sige,
gifts
sige, sige.
natin para makita natin.
Pia,
Ang pogi
hindi pala
ni Joshua,
natin
sabi ni Ray.
pinakita yung last year's. Yung soju. It's
Sige,
okay.
pag na lang, sa
Oo.
wrap-up natin, meron pang something. Hi, Max!
It's my sister. I checked the weather. We're good. Sorry, naka-open air kasi kami ngayon.
Yes.
Tapos sabi ng kapatid ko, kayo, pag inulan kayo, wow, translate sa Tagalog.
Okay, so sinong mauna?
Me?
Sabihin pala muna natin yung mga colors na assigned.
I'm
So,
purple.
I'm pink.
I'm purple.
I'm blue, but I'm wearing pink.
Okay, so si Trency ang mauuna sa kanyang small gift raffle.
Okay.
Raffle. Small gift exchange.
Magwawala ba tayo? Dapat iba abutin nyo?
Oo. Hindi. I-drop mong pag
Okay.
Parang babagsakin mo siya.
Okay.
Okay, so tignan natin kung ano ba. Ang theme ay concert kit.
Concert kit.
So, let's
Explain
see.
ko ba after kung ano to?
Sige.
Okay.
Dalawa kinuha ko. Wait, ilan ba? Bakit dami?
Ang dami naman ito.
Diba? Plus one.
Okay.
Kung plus one lang ako isa.
Kinuha ko yung plus one. Sa'yo yung
sa'yo
isa.
na to.
Hindi sa'yo yung isa.
Akin na pala to.
Tatlong kit
Okay,
tayo.
tama.
Pa rin.
Okay. So please explain.
Ang ganda nito.
The one that I got is a mini foundation puff.
Ayan.
And there's also a silicone ring.
Para siya sa cellphone. So you put your phone. Tapos isusuot mo siya. Like a bracelet.
Oh, nice.
And then, concert kit siya, pero pang pre-concert kit siya. So, meron tayong eye mask. Yan. Siyempre, kailangan freshness
Kailangan
tayo.
maganda. Correct.
Oo,
correct,
kailangan freshness tayo pagdating sa concert, diba? So, yan. Meron tayong eye mask. Ayan.
Oh my God. And this is brilliant. I want this for myself.
Mm.
So this is actually a manual fan.
Kasi pag maubusan kayo ng baterya, di ba? Sa mga Jisoo fans nyo.
Sobrang gaan niya.
Sobrang gaan niya.
Yan yung problema ko kasi pag mga fan.
Correct.
May bigat.
Mabigat.
Ito,
Ang so, yan, so,
Oo.
na-exercise yung ano mo. Yung
Diba?
thumb mo. Ganyan.
Ang galing nito. Gusto ko nito.
Diba? Amazing.
Thank you so much for joining. Rhea, if you also want to join our raffle, Rain, you as well. Comment so that we can put you in. We have small gift exchange and the theme is concert kit. So ito yung mga lalagyan natin ng concert kit ninyo later. Thank you, Mon, for preparing.
Patay. Sino yan?
Ala.
Si
DK
Songkwan. DK
Okay,
Songkwan.
sino next? Kia.
Ako na next. My color is pink.
Tuto si Harmony. Si Adjuma.
Wala na kay Mon na siya.
Hindi ko na
Dapat
ito
pala apat ibigay ko
bibigay.
sa'yo.
Isa pala kasi, basta yung picture ang magkakapareho.
Okay.
They're a
Dito
set.
ka, Pia.
Okay. So my color is pink.
Oopsies.
Lagay ko ito dito.
Yeah.
Parang siyang sama. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh,
Ano
akin
to?
to.
Ano mo?
Yan, sa'yo yan. Okay.
Ano itong mga pinagkukuha ko?
So, syempre, alam niyo naman, kailangan sa outfitan, meron tayong pimple patch.
Yes.
So, eto, ang isa. Okay. And then these are so cute. I just found that they're like, ano siya, parang nakapack na siya na mouthwash. Mouthwash.
Love it.
Ayan.
Do you gargle it?
Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Lux Organics. Mention natin yung mga
Yes.
brands. Para
Ayan, Lux Organics. We have Posh Pimple Patch.
This is July Me.
Yes, it's like a deodorizing wipe.
So, for example, pumunta kayo sa isang meet and greet, di ba? FanCon, na may kasamang high touch. Parang yung pinuntahan namin kay El Capitan.
Oo.
Di ba? So, kailangan mabango ka. Syempre, dalawang oras kayong mabaho. Ganon. Kasi talon-talon kayo, pawis sa pawis kayo. Ito ang kailangan nyo.
Yes.
Ito!
Yan. Very good.
Pack.
Okay, next
Okay.
is Monica.
My turn.
Okay.
Ano ba yan? Okay. I'm excited. Ay, ba't may balloon?
Ang ganda daw ng outfit ni Mon tonight. Or
Wow.
Domyo Harmony.
Yes.
Thank
Dong
you.
Harmony.
Thank you. Okay. Are we ready?
Yes.
My color is blue.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wow! Facial wipes. Another
Ah.
must. Yes.
But
Yes.
ice cold.
Ice cold.
So, panglamig yan.
For March 17, New
Wow.
Bulacan. Let's go.
So, syempre, pag tanggal niyo ng pawis, magkakaroon kayo ng all-day no sebum blur powder.
Yes! Love it!
By Dr.
May
Sensitive.
magandang blurring powder yan.
Talaga?
Oo.
Ayan. Bilhin niyo na,
Yes,
guys.
winner.
Kung sinong makakuha nito, sabihin niyo sa amin kung kamusta siya. Para makabili din tayo.
Yes.
And
Love
then,
it.
of course, lip balm.
Oh,
Yes.
Alam mo, nung binibigay ko yung blue, pinag-isipan ko kung Mentos ba o lip balm. Kasi Mentos pag naghihintay, pag nakapila, alam mo yun.
Correct.
Pero lip balm na lang, para at least kung matagalan.
Correct.
Kasi pag Mentos,
Love it.
ang bilis naman maubos.
Okay.
Ito, may souvenir ka pa. Uy, bigyan ng 1 to Sarah.
Wow.
Ganon.
Winner! Thank you
Love
so much. Okay, so papakita natin kung sino yung mga kasama sa mga... dito pala to. So, pakita lang namin yung mga Kit 1, Kit 2, and Kit 3 para sa ating raffle. So, Kit 1, that's me. So, those are powder puffs, the silicone ring, pimple patch, and the cooling wipes. So, kung sinong mabunot ko, sa'yo na to. Okay,
Yan.
next.
Mine naman, we have the all-day no sebum. How do you say sebum? 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 Kaya kay Rain. Rain.
sebum.
Ay, CPA pa si Rain. Sino yun? Best nurse, best nurse. It is sebum or sebum? Blur powder.
Uy, si
Yeah.
Tutuldok nandito. Hello!
Ay, tutuldok. Uy, sali daw siya. O sige, sali yan. And then, I also have the July Me perfume powder sheet. There you go. And finally, the hydrogel eye masks. Important test. Woohoo!
And then for my kit, you
Diba
need that mouthwash stick,
Mm-hmm.
you know, pang freshness.
Packing station din pala tayo.
Meron din.
Sorting center din pala to.
Shenzhen.
Hello, June. Lip balm from Vaseline from Korean.
Pero hindi siya Shenzhen.
And this manual fan that I love so much. Like, I'm obsessed. Guys, ang dami kong mga ganito. Yung mga mamahalin na, anong brand to?
Jisoo?
Jisoo Life.
Yeah.
Wala lang, ang bigat. Pero ito, manual!
Ang
Diba?
love. Ang
Tapos
cute
mukha pa
pa
siyang
niya.
donut.
Mm-mm.
So, pag gutom na kayo, kakagatin nyo lang, ganon.
Okay, tama.
Tama na, tama na.
Baka hindi na natin makuha yung brand deal.
Correct, oo nga.
Thank you, Daiso.
Daiso the best.
So we will be posting right away on our social media kung sino man yung mga nabunot for each kit. Pia kit, Trenzy kit, and Monica kit. Yun na lang ang tawag natin sa kanila. Okay. And also, last year kasi, we also had manifestation with our Sarang Base.
Mhm.
So, highlight medley. Oh my God, I already love
Wow.
songs 3, 5, and 6. Wala
Mhm.
lang. Pero hindi ko pa narinig yung highlight medley.
Ayan na.
Yun yung mga teaser, ano.
Mm-mm.
Nasan natin mga... okay.
Pero hindi natin mapapakita yung bottle.
Ah, dito
Sige,
na lang.
Kung
basahin
box
lang
ba
dito sa
pwede?
baba.
Baka
Baka
bawal
hindi
din.
din pwede.
Bakit? Box naman eh.
Ang dami kong
Peekaboo
mga...
na lang. Anyway, we wrote our manifestations kasi on soju bottle. Siyempre, soju kasi Korea.
Yes.
And we are of
Lasengga
age.
kami.
Yes.
So, meron kaming 2 boxes of choju. Choju.
Mm-mm.
Kasi bawal eh. Bawal sa TikTok.
baka
Oo.
makick out kami.
Oo.
Sayang naman. Pero we want to read some of our manifestations, the ones that came true and the ones that we will continue to manifest for this year. So, umpisahan natin. Basahin. Sige, kanina yan. Basahin na natin.
And baka you guys wanna also join their tradition. Kumbaga parang, yung ginawa kasi namin, we write down on the bottles or manifestations. And if magkatotoo siya, iinumin mo yung bote.
Oo.
As a way to
talaga,
say,
hindi yung soju.
Hindi yung soju. Yung bote, lalagukin mo. Parang anaconda. Kasi parang to celebrate, di ba? The coming true of your manifestation.
Love
Yeah.
it. Yes.
So, gawin nyo rin guys. Parang fun siyang exercise, right?
Ito, sa yung dalawa to.
Hindi, yung isa ko hindi nagkatotoo. So, pero inumin ko pa rin.
So, please share your manifestations.
Doon tayo sa hindi nagkatotoo. Pero iinumin ko pa din. Kasi I feel like hindi ko naman kailangan.
What?
Hindi ko kailangan ng jowa.
Okay.
Kailangan ko lang K-pop.
K-pop
K-pop boyfriend lang. So, ayun.
Smuggle.
Oo nga, mga smuggler.
Kahit hindi
Kasi
naman
yung
to kita.
paper. Binilagyan sa paper. Very Pero my other one that came true is for one to Sarang to reach 10,000 hindi pala siya nangyari. Sarang Base to reach 10,000 followers on YouTube.
Hindi pa yung reach 10,000 Sarang
Reach
Base.
10,000 Sarang
So, if
Base.
it's just
Sorry.
reach, we
Oo.
did have that much reach on YouTube. So,
Yes.
nagkatotoo siya.
Oo.
We love our independent women.
Yes!
Noah, Eme, yes!
Kailangan.
Okay, so ako naman, may manifestations. Ito nga, yung sinabi ko
pwede nga yan.
kanina, that I'm continuing to this year. That is earning money doing what I love. Teka, ilapit natin yung mga mic para dun sa ating episode na i-upload and also
yeah.
for YouTube.
Mm-mm.
And the one that came true, we're so happy and so proud that we reached 500
Lapit ka pa.
500 YouTube subscribers this year. So thank you so much for those of you who subscribe to us on YouTube. Sabi ni
Yeah.
Rhea, mine came true. Hindi naghirap ang carrot sa pila ng 17
Yes.
Yes, that's true.
And I
Pero
was
hindi ko kaya
able
inumin lahat.
Okay.
I was able to give the bottle to Rhea.
Yes, thank you so much, Rhea.
Rhea.
And naka-VIP standing yan sa new. So, enjoy.
Yes.
Tama ka rin sa raffle namin para baka ikaw makakuha ng concert kit. So thank you to all our YouTube subscribers, sa mga Sarang Base who follow us on TikTok and haven't followed us yet on YouTube. Come on, join us. Let's have fun together.
Yes.
Okay.
Gusto ko rin isingit that yung isa rin nating Sarang Bay na si Angela, yung manifestation niya is Korea this year 2025. I still have her bottle, but she did message that nagkatotoo yun. Oh my gosh. Tapos sabi niya, binigyan niya na lang sa amin itong bottle na to kasi hindi naman daw siya umiinom. So thank you, Angela.
Kami
Kami na bahala. And we're so happy na nagkatotoo yung minanifest mo.
Yes.
Yeah.
So sali kayo sa manifesting namin.
Correct.
Oo.
Kasi nagkakatotoo siya. Sorry, nagnobela kasi ako eh.
You don't even know where it starts.
Yeah, I know. Like, it kind of just goes. But ang gist nun is, I manifested for Want to Sarang to have more hosting gigs, paid collabs, and to go to Korea together sa 2025. Hindi nagkatotoo most of the list, the things that I listed down. But for my second bottle, which is the personal bottle, I asked na for last year that my final film project will go smoothly and that I do well and to launch my design brand and do something by the holidays. Sell it by the holidays. And in fairness, nagkatotoo siya.
Yeah.
So, things do come true
Yes.
with Want to Sarang and Soju. Oh,
Wow. So thank you so much, Sarang Bates, for joining us. We will be posting right away kung sino man yung mga mananalo sa mga raffle. Like right after this live, gagawin na namin para ma-post na namin kagad so you will know and we will be reaching out to you so that we know how to get in touch with your details. So delivery, okay? So we will be posting all of that. And again, next week, ang ating pinag-aabangan na main vocal comeback. Alam na nyo ang ating music video. Syempre gagawa namin yan na reaction video on YouTube. So if you haven't yet, please like, subscribe on YouTube. Ring the bell. Ganon. Okay, lahat yon para makita nyo updates namin. And after that, of course, an album review. And abangan ninyo ang aming pagbabalik for Season 9.
Yes.
Soon enough, that will be happening. Thank you so much, Sarang Base.
May manifestation.
Nagmamanifest pa sila. You know what?
Okay, Bas, basta na mabilis bago tayo umalis. Manifestation ni Cristel, makita si Song Chol, pero wala daw siyang ticket for new. Magkaka-ticket ka for new. Okay, si
Or
Erica.
makita mo siya sa kalsada.
Oo. Si Erica says, manifesting my experience ko on BTS concert next year. Yes!
My
My
God.
God, that would be
Year.
amazing.
This
Manifesting
year.
for you.
Yeah.
Ang manifestation ni Shaylee, mali na pipindot ko. Yung kay Shaylee is stable work with the things I love to do and going to my desired cons this year.
Yes!
You know what, guys? I'm gonna write all this down kasi I can track naman all your comments, manifestations. So, may gusto pa kayong ihabol.
Ito si DM. Makasecure ng ticket sa CXM dito sa Taiwan. DM.
Yes.
Alam mo na, makikita mo kami ni Monica dyan.
Oh, yun na.
Kakato kami.
Oo.
Magulat ka
Yeah.
na.
CXM for Kaohsiung, sabi din ng ating Cherry. Yes.
Oo. Anyway, like,
Si
what
Nika.
I was...
Nika, manifesting to have
Nika
enough
first.
courage to maintain blessings
Oh.
received.
Yes.
Love that for you.
Kim. Yes.
Yes, Mon.
You deserve it.
I'm gonna be writing all this down and I'll post it somewhere. Basta I'll post it in
Dito,
our...
sa likod.
Dito,
Oo.
sa likod.
Dun sa ano ni Pia. Dun sa malaking papel
dun sa
niya.
kartolina ni Pia, actually. Ipopost ko siya, it's a special post. Tapos, next year, when we do our anniversary live, babalikan natin yun.
Yes.
So, tingnan natin kung anong mga na-tick na natin or
Correct.
na-achieve, etc. Actually, ganito na lang. Gagawa na lang ako ng special post where we will write down sa comment section, dun nyo ilagay lahat ng mga manifestations nyo.
Oo.
Tapos, babalikan natin siya next year.
Di ba nga, parang share to the universe.
Yes.
Parang
Tama.
yan
Parang
siya.
Twitter, di ba? Parang
Oo,
kailangan i-tweet para
Twitter
magkatotoo.
manifestation siya.
Correct.
May dagdag pa dito.
Yes.
May dagdag pa si Zali. Tama ba? Basa ko ba?
Zai?
Zai pala. Manifesting more money para makattend ng concerts. Rain says to secure CXM tickets for Busan.
Yes.
Sana mabilis wifi namin bukas. Praying for mabilis na wifi. Sabi ni Paulina, manifesting to get to her dreams.
You can
Let's
do
go.
it!
Let's go! And si Cristel, may pahabol na isa pa manifestation na more buyers to come sa small business ko.
Ay, i-post mo na
Come
Crystal,
on,
small
let's
business
go.
mo para maano natin.
Oo.
Pag i-post nyo yun, hintayin nyo na lang yung post ko. Pag i-post nyo yun, pag mag-manifest kayo, try to be more specific. Yun yung sabi nila eh. You have to be specific with your manifestation.
This is our year, guys.
Yes.
You know that.
Ay,
It's our year.
So, thank you so much for joining us for the past hour. Happy anniversary to us, Sarang Days, and also, syempre, sa ating tatlo. And thank you. Magkita-kita tayo ulit next week. And stay tuned kung kailan ba ang aming next live. Thank you so much, Sarang Days. Chegoya!
Chego, go mo!
Gumawa! Chegoya! Sarang!
Hi to, bye guys!
Bye!
We're going up,